dear Liko players. Welcome to another episode of the Max and Anna story series in the future world. As you saw in the previous episode, Max and Anna were introduced to a new cryptocurrency that has many features. But let's watch the rest of the story together.
So, Max, blockchain is a very unique digital system. To start, it's essentially a decentralized public ledger that stores data in linked blocks.
A ledger, so all data is stored in one place?
Exactly. Each block contains a set of data and transactions, and each one is connected to the previous one. This creates a chain of blocks.
So no one can change the data?
Correct. Once data enters the blockchain, it's stored in an immutable way. In other words, blockchain is a secure and transparent system where data can't be easily tampered with.
This immutability is what makes blockchain such a powerful tool. Once a transaction is recorded, it stays on the blockchain forever.
But why is blockchain so important? Why should we use it?
Blockchain isn't just for storing data. It's also used for its high level of security. Blockchain stores data in an encrypted format.
Encryption in blockchain ensures that only those with the private key can access the information. This level of security is one of the reasons blockchain is so popular for cryptocurrencies.
So when I make a transaction, it's this encryption that makes sure no one can tamper with it?
Exactly. And that's just one of the benefits. Blockchain also works through a network of computers called nodes that validate transactions simultaneously.
So these nodes help the network function properly?
Right. Each node has a copy of the ledger and operates independently. This makes it impossible for any one individual or organization to control the entire network.
This decentralized system allows blockchain to be resistant to external attacks. There's no single point of failure that could be targeted.
To further ensure security, each transaction must be validated by all the nodes. This process is known as consensus. It ensures that only accurate and verified information enters the blockchain.
So everything is completely secure and trustworthy?
Yes, and in addition to that, blockchain has countless other applications, from supply chain transparency to digital voting and smart contracts.
Perhaps in the not-so-distant future, blockchain will impact nearly every industry and system we use, from finance to government.
So blockchain makes all of this security and transparency possible for cryptocurrencies?
Exactly. And beyond that, blockchain's potential is just beginning to be realized.
Blockchain is not only the foundation of cryptocurrencies, but could revolutionize how we handle data and transactions across the globe.
To reach the biggest dreams, you must start with the smallest steps. Dear Liko players, thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. We will be at your service soon with new programs and news. Goodbye.